Y'all, I am so out of breath. Okay, I've been waiting for this package to come in all day, like literally all day. I ran upstairs, checked my mailbox. It's raining outside, it's freezing. And I just happened to go in the office to see if they possibly had it, and they had it, and it's here. And oh my God, you guys, I'm so excited for this. Listen, I have not been looking around on social media because I did not want to know what was going to be in the December box. So I'm going to be totally like, you know, what's the word I'm even looking for? Surprised, I guess you could say. Because normally sometimes, you know, you see a little sneak peek here and there and you're kind of like, you kind of know something's going to be in there, but you don't really know. But okay, let's see what's in this December Boxycharm box. So excited. I can't breathe. I should probably calm down and take a breather because I'm going to be huffing and puffing this whole video like... Okay, what do we got here? I'm not looking at the paper. Not looking at the paper. No. Okay. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, I'm just going to pull out this first. First thing we got is a Bodyography Heather Berry lip pencil. Oh, also mind you, because I knew that I'd be getting my package today, I didn't put any makeup on so I could test all this stuff out. So I'm going to be testing this stuff out if anything in there is test worthy. Okay, so we got a lip pencil. Let me do a little swatch on my hand. Don't mind the cuts on my hand, but okay. We got a Heather Berry lip pencil. I'm so excited. Next thing we got here is a Tarte product. Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. Oh my God. What is this? What is this? Insta Famous. Oh my God, this is beautiful. What is this though? Oh my God, it smells good. Okay, okay. Oop, cat hair. All right, so it's a, looks like a clear shimmery lip gloss. See, you can't really see it because it's clear, but it's shimmery. But this is beautiful and it smells nummy. Okay. Next item we have here is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is powder. Translucent setting powder. It's called the Powder Room, and then it says matte about it. Look how cute this packaging is. Oh my God, this is adorable. Oh, look at this pink puffy puff. I love it. Okay, it's got a protector there, so I'll try this out in a minute. Oh my God. Okay, next thing. What is this? Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Oh, okay, we got a charcoal mask. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is the last thing we have here. It is an eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like, and it's from Protégé Suva Beauty. My eyeshadow's broke. One of my eyeshadows is broken. What am I gonna do? Okay, let me show you anyway. So it's got a really nice mirror right here, a really big mirror to fit my whole face in. And then this is my shadows, but this one's broke. Ew, look at my fingerprints. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different shadows here. Oh my God, these are beautiful. Okay, so that was the last item in there. So this box is called 'Tis the Season, and now we're gonna go through prices really quick, and then we're gonna get on to testing these products. So the Tarte lip paint is $20. The lip liner is $12. The Pretty Vulgar powder is $32. The detox mask was $30, and the palette is $34. So for $21, you get all that stuff, and that's a really good deal. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing like a full makeup look here. I'm just going to be testing out these products because last time I did like a tester in a different video, and I'm like, I don't think people really like that. I think it would be best if I tested everything, you know, in one video. So, all right, I'm gonna swatch these eyeshadows on my arm just to give you a quick look. I am the world's worst swatcher, so please don't judge my swatches. Okay. So this is the swatches. This is how they be looking. Ooh, they are looking good, girl. So I'm just going to do a quick eyeshadow look here, but I'm not going to be doing a full makeup tutorial just because I want to see how these eyeshadows work out. Right now I'm just patting the Tact shade on my lid because it's just like a light skin tone color. I really like that shade there, but next I'm going to go in with this one here. It's called Conscious. It's like a maroon-ish brown. This palette has 4 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades. So I'm liking this color right here. This is my kind of color. I'm gonna pick up some of this aesthetic and pop that right on top just to see what that shade looks like. Oh girl, this is turning into a beautiful look right here. Okay, I'm liking these eyeshadows. They are applying really well. They are nicely pigmented and blending out really nicely as well. Okay, I know that looks boo-boo, but we're just playing around right now. I'm gonna pick up some of this structure and I'm going to pat it on my lower lid with my finger. Oh, these colors actually go really good together because that aesthetic color is like a berry shade. So then mixed with this one, I think it's a perfect pair. Even a little bit of this poetic could be thrown in there in the inner corner. Oh, girl. The Broken Shadow Theory is super, super cute. It's like a light, shimmery lavender. Ooh! Girls, I'm ready for the runway, okay? I can't get over this puffy puff. The puffy puff is worth the whole box. Like, if they would have just sent me the puffy puff, I would be so satisfied. Let's pick up some of this powder. Let me pop some up in the lid. I'm gonna powder my nose. Oh, I don't want to use this. It's so pretty. I don't want to mess it up. What do I do? Okay, I'm just gonna do it anyway. Powder my nose. Okay, y'all. Oh, girl, I like this powder right here. This is very light. Oh, and it's getting the job done. That nose was looking like a very reflective mirror earlier, but look at me now, girl. Yes, yes. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm loving this powder. I wonder if it'd be really good for baking. Okay, next, let me try out this lip liner quick just to see what that'd be looking like. I don't really use lip liners, but I like to own them, if that makes sense. That doesn't really make sense. Okay, this is a pretty color. This pencil is kind of dry. Let's just, you know what, we're just gonna skip through and try out this lip color quick. Ah, oh my God. This is to die for. Oh my God, it smells so good I could eat it right now. Oh, I am loving that. Look at that. If I had all my makeup done right now, the eyeshadows going like this but more perfected with this lip color, y'all would be so jealous of me. I know it. Okay, so anyway, so far I'm loving this lip product. I'm loving this palette. I'm really sad that my eyeshadow is broken, but it's still usable, so I'm gonna totally get over it. This powder, like, really nice. Really nice. And I cannot wait to actually, like, put it in action and use it. And last but not least, we got this detox mask from Cosmetics with the activated charcoal. Doesn't charcoal break you out though? My skin's kind of doing okay right now, so I don't know if it's a good idea to use this mask, but I am totally a rebel. I am a risk taker. So I'm gonna go wash off this powder and we're gonna try out this mask really quick. Okay, y'all, I'm back and I put a headband on. I'm gonna try out this Blast mask. I'm gonna try out the detox mask. We're gonna see how that goes. I kept the eyeshadows on though, 'cause I had to go wash my face to get the powder off. But girl, let's get into this. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, am I crazy? Is this gray or is that a beautiful light lavender? This charcoal better not be bringing out none of them little pimples, because I ain't trying to have it right now. This smells really nice and it feels really fresh and clean on my skin. Okay, I'll see you guys in 10 to 15. That's my Miss America wave. So really quick, while this is drying, I wanted to tell you guys the variation I got, because y'all usually ask me. So I got the number 1 with a heart. And sometimes you guys ask me how much my package weighed. So this one is 0.95. So I feel like I really rushed through this video, which I did. I'm sorry, but I was so excited I couldn't contain myself. And I know I did a really boo-boo job on the eyeshadows, but to be honest, it's nighttime. I didn't feel like doing an actual makeup tutorial. Okay, I'm back. I just washed the mask off and honestly, that mask was kind of hard to remove. I even used like a wet wash rag and I had to scrub it a little bit, but I guess that's good because I totally exfoliated my face tonight, so it's a win-win. So anyways, overall, I think this box was pretty good. I like everything I got except the lip liner, but the lip liner will probably work better on someone else. Just didn't work for me. I wish I would have done a full makeup look, because that probably would have been a lot better, because that's probably what every other girl's gonna do, is like do a full beautiful makeup look. But you know what, I'm not that girl, so sorry about that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you all get everything that you want in your Boxycharm box this month. I would love to hear from you, so leave me some comments down below. Let me know what is your favoriteest thing in the December Boxycharm box. Mine, honestly, would have to be the powder. I think this powder is going to be really good. I think it's going to work exactly how I need it to work. And the puffy puff, I mean, girl, can we have a moment of silence for the pink puff? The eyeshadows are really nice. I love the face mask. Just hope it doesn't break me out. And yeah. The lip gloss is pretty nice too. Throwing me a Tarte product in there was just like the icing on the cake, girl. All right, well, I guess I'll see you guys later.